Now with this large battery, which we're calling like the battery backup utility box, you can now pedal into it. So you can actually have your workout be charging your readiness system. So we're now doing things as a society where we're in the early phases of clearly evident climate change, where it's like, okay, climate change has caused our forests to be dry and crispy and for the summers to be hot. So now we have to have a multi-day power outage that causes like a bunch of waste. Like food gets thrown out in grocery stores and people crank generators everywhere. So basically it's causing a worse climate. It's like a positive, unfortunately positive climate feedback. So against that kind of backdrop, it can be possible for people to enter a mindset of kind of giving up. And we hope that Rock the Bike's offerings are like, no, we're going to do this a cooler way. We're going to be charging our battery backup system for the 2 months before fire season with my weekly workouts or my twice weekly workouts. And over those number of weeks, I actually charged up my battery backup system for 2 days of refrigeration. That's an inspiring experience. It was actually starting to look good for him as a business. He was at that time getting calls from Starbucks where they wanted one of these bicycle blenders with their name on it. And I was taking note and I'm like, that's a good name, that's a good company. Our generators are typically permanent magnet generators, where there's a circle of magnets that you turn by yanking the chain when you pedal, and they move around the stator, which is a circle of copper coils. Creates an electric field. You capture the electric field in the wire, and the wire gets plugged into generally some type of a safety circuit, and then on the other side of the safety circuit is where you get the usable power. Sometimes it doesn't go well, or sometimes there's a lot of kids that want to pedal. So basically, kids can produce about 10 watts average, but an adult can produce 50, 60 watts average at one of our concerts. So if we have like more than half kids, then usually the voltage starts to fall. And then we would trigger our battery circuit to not stop the show. It's undeniable. My heart is up. I'm getting the workout, and all of that energy I'm going to use. So then later when I'm using my laptop, if it had gone from like 62 to 90 during my workout, then that's what I pedaled. And it's a good feeling. And it's one of these feelings that can lead you back into other forms of environmentalism. How else can I give back? How else can I make my energy matter?